Emotionally drained? Try a 60-second chaos to calm ritual. Little hits all day. Texts, drama, noise. Your chest tightens, thoughts spiral, focus vanishes. That emotional drain eats energy fast. 3 steps, 60 seconds. Step 1. Ground. Plant your feet, sit tall, take 3 slow belly breaths. Step 2. Senses. Splash cool water on your wrists or sniff citrus, a sharp cue that can reset your state. Step 3. Move and label. Do shoulder rolls or a light march for 15 seconds and say one calm line like, "I can handle this." That combo can often clear the fog. Try it now.